Hello, beta. I welcome you all to today's session. Every session that I start, I welcome you all, and I thank you all for being so regular in attending the classes. Those who are watching the videos, I thank them also because the videos that you are watching, accordingly you ask the questions in the online sessions. So when the online sessions are conducted, we could very clearly understand that who are the students who are very regularly watching the videos, because these videos are not videos, these are your classes, that if the classes would have been conducted, then we would have discussed all these things in the class. But still, I hope you all are enjoying the classes, and in the coming days you will be more comfortable. आपको ज़्यादा आराम रहेगा, आपको ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. Gradually and slowly I am trying to explain each and every part in the chapter. कोई भी वर्ड हो, कोई भी सेंटेंस हो, यू कैन आस्क मी एनीथिंग, बट येस, one thing that I always wanted to say this is there, that you are most welcome to ask the word meaning. आपको कोई भी डाउट है आप उसको क्लियर कर सकते हैं, आप उसको पूछ सकते हैं. बट माई मेजर कंसर्न वॉज दैट, एक चीज़ जो थी, दैट for the word meaning, what happens when you ask the word meaning? Of course teachers are there, teachers will explain you the word meaning, but then what I feel, I am just sharing it with you, that when you open the dictionary, okay, suppose I am just telling you, suppose you want to understand the meaning of dogma, okay, so you open the dictionary, I am just telling you. So when you open the dictionary, so you will find, first you will see D, okay, then you open the D section, then you open the O section. So O में after that, because it is all in a sequence, you know that ना, A B C D आता है, फिर D में भी A B C D O तक आएगा. तो when you search the meaning in the dictionary, you open the dictionary and you are trying to find out the meaning of dogma, okay. तो dogma word को सर्च करने के चक्कर में, when you are finding the meaning of dogma, you will come across 10 more words, and obviously you can understand how well your vocabulary will improve. आपकी वर्ड मीनिंग कितनी स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाएगी, you will be able to identify so many word meanings. Got it? So children, make a habit of looking for the word meaning in the dictionary. I know and I hope and I am sure that all of you might be having dictionary at home. तो कोई भी वर्ड का मीनिंग समझ, बिकॉज वॉट हैज़ हैपेंड, दिस वॉज दिस इज, आई शेयर इट विथ यू. माई इंग्लिश टीचर यूज टू टेल मी, आई एम जस्ट शेयरिंग विथ यू वन इंसिडेंट ना. अभी पढ़ाई करेंगे, ओके, वी विल बी स्टडिंग, ऑफ कोर्स दैट इज़ द प्रायोरिटी, बट माई इंग्लिश टीचर यूज टू शेयर दिस विथ मी एंड आई फाउंड दैट इट वॉज वेरी बेनिफिशियल. I came to know about so many new words which I did not know, and I never thought I'll be knowing the meaning of these words while searching the meaning of the words in the dictionary. एक मीनिंग को खोजने के चक्कर में मुझे 5 वर्ड्स की मीनिंग पता चल गई. Are you understanding? Always remember, looking the word meaning into dictionary is very beneficial, and your English speaking skills, your conversation skills, your knowledge skills, everything improves. So make a habit of looking into the dictionary very often. I just shared it with you children. Okay, now we come back to the chapter. The video that we have stopped in the yesterday's session, in the last session, there we were talking about Akbar's knowledge and Akbar's ideas about religion. He used to have lot of discussion. He was a very religious person. He used to he tried to understand. He respected all the religion. I'm sorry. He respected all the religion, and he wanted that people should respect all the religion. धर्म के नाम पे, in the name of religion, people should not fight with each other. एक दूसरे के साथ बिल्कुल भी लड़ाइयाँ नहीं होनी चाहिए. Everybody should be comfortable. Everybody should know and respect what the other person is thinking about religion. धर्म, हमारे लिए जो धर्म है सबसे ऊपर है. Our religion is topmost for us. So we have to think the same way for the other people. This is what Akbar used to think, and this is what Akbar used to discuss with so many people, so many religious leaders in the Ibadat Khana. I'm sorry children, just a minute. Yes, now I think it's clear. Ibadat Khana. Abhi in the Persian terminology, ibadat means prayer. Got it? So he has made a room, he has made a complete building. Fatehpur Sikri mein it is still there. When you go to visit the Taj Mahal, so make a time to go to the Fatehpur Sikri also, and there you get to see the Ibadat Khana, and which were the places where Akbar used to have discussions with these religious leaders, what was his ideas. So after understanding everything, after interacting with all these religious leaders, he said that religious scholars means the people जो धर्म गुरु हैं, the people who are propagating religion, who are talking about religion, they emphasized, मतलब they were stressing, वो इस चीज़ पे ज़ोर डालते थे. एम्फेसाइज मीन्स किसी चीज़ को बहुत कन्विक्शन के साथ बोलना, बहुत ज़्यादा किसी चीज़ के लिए लोगों को फोर्स करना. तो religious scholars, they emphasized rituals and dogma were often boycotts. Dogma and boycotts I have already discussed in the last video children, but still I would be discussing it again. Just see, dogma is mentioned here. One statement, okay, I am discussing about dogma. Suppose there is a big Guruji or there is a big Pandit, okay, who is very popular amongst the people. लोग उनकी पूजा करते हैं. ऐसे नहीं, गुरु बहुत सारे होते हैं. And in all the religion there are, like Buddhists are there. तो Buddhist Lord Buddha को अपना गुरु मानते हैं. तो the people who Dalai Lama is there, who is the present guru of all the Buddhists all over the world. तो in this way, in every religion एक गुरु होता है. तो that person is declared, he is authoritative with the expectation that it would be followed without question. तो ये गुरु जो होते हैं, they show the right path. अभी गुरु पूर्णिमा was there. So what is the work of the teachers? You all have sent so many wishes and all that because you understand and you respect the teachers, and you know that teachers show you the right path. In the same way, the religious people also show the right path to the people who are following that religion. Any religion, it could be Hindu, it could be Sikhism, it could be Islam, all the religion that is there. So certain people are there who say that you follow the religion, but then don't question on religion. कि अब जैसे some Hindus say भगवान राम के बारे में ऐसा है, तो क्या सच में ऐसा था? तो द डॉगमा मीन्स यू कैनॉट क्वेश्चन ऑन द अथॉरिटी ऑफ द गॉड. क्या ऐसा होना चाहिए? ज़रूर होना चाहिए. ठीक है, कैनॉट क्वेश्चन नो मीन्स यू कैन क्वेश्चन. व्हाई नॉट? इट इज़ द एज ऑफ साइंस. So when you want a proof of everything, even the religious convictions, even the religious terminologies and religious terms and conditions are also to be questioned. हमेशा इसके ऊपर सवाल होना चाहिए, क्यों नहीं होना चाहिए? Okay? So that is dogma. कोई सवाल नहीं पूछना है रिलीजन में, रिलीजन को ब्लाइंडली फॉलो करना है. डॉगमा. एंड बाइकॉट इज दैट पर्सन, एक आदमी मतलब इंसान को, सम इंडिविजुअल इज कॉल्ड एज बाइकॉट हु डजंट टॉलरेट एनी अदर रिलीजन. सपोज आई एम अ बाइकॉट, so I say, oh, my religion I am following, it is the best. All the religion is bad, my religion is the best. I am a bigot then. And bigot is not a very good thing. It is not a very good thing. You respect your religion, most welcome, but that does not mean that you will disrespect other religion. Are you understanding? Try to understand the concept, children. That when you respect your own religion, you're most welcome to do that. But respecting your own religion does not mean that disrespecting others' religion. Got it? So that is the one thing that we wanted to discuss. So dogmas and bigots हो गया. तो क्या हुआ कि some bigots who were there, they were spreading certain messages. ऐसी चीज़ें लोगों को बताते थे due to which there was lot of fighting, lot of confusion amongst the people कि अब my religion is good, your religion is bad, then other person will say how can you say my religion is bad. Fighting शुरू हो गई. ठीक है. Creating confusion and creating conflict in the name of religion was not acceptable. Okay, ये बिल्कुल भी acceptable नहीं था, एकदम भी welcome नहीं था. People did not accept it. Now just see one very nice picture is here, children. You should see this. क्या है ये picture? What is this picture all about? Just a minute, children. हाँ, यहाँ पे ये देखो, the question, the description of the picture is given here. Can you see this? This picture is from Ibadat Khana. Again, this is an original painting. Yes, children, original painting from Akbarnama. Remember, we discussed about Akbarnama? Akbarnama and Annie Akbari. GK point of view, I told na, these two books you have to remember. Akbarnama and Annie Akbari. तो ये अकबरनामा एंड एनी अकबरी, उसमें से all these proof has been taken, all these pictures have been taken. उस समय the painters who existed in those times, they have made these paintings. So we need to appreciate it, and we need to understand, and we need to thank Akbar. ठीक है. If we would have gone to the Akbar's time, I would have thanked him that he thought that the coming generation, today we know so much about the Mughal Empire because Akbar had commissioned Abul Fazl. He asked Abul Fazl to write a history. आज हमको अकबर के बारे में इतना पता है, हुमायूं, बाबर, everybody. It is not that some God has told us, na. It is because it is there. It is because of the evidences that we have. Okay, so on that basis we are respecting these people, and we are thanking these people who thought about the future generations, where the few forthcoming generations could understand the importance of the ancestors. Got it? So ये picture कहाँ की है? Akbar is holding discussions with learned individuals, पढ़े लिखे जितने भी थे. Just now that we read, there was Maulvi, there was Pandit, there was church ke padri, I mean the people who are the Buddhist, Zoroastrians, all religion people are sitting together and having discussions. Having discussions on different faiths in Ibadat Khana. तो ये this painting, this picture belongs to which place? This picture belongs to Ibadat Khana. Just see, children. Abhi, you will see here is Akbar. Huh? So you can see Akbar here. Then one of the religious gurus here, some of them are here. ये देखो, the Maulvis are here, and might be this is a Pandit who is sitting here. You will find a small child here. ये छोटा सा बच्चा दिख रहा है आपको यहाँ पे? Who is this child? Who is this child? What was the name of Akbar's son? ठीक है? Yes, Akbar's son was Salim. His name was Salim, and further in the future, in coming times, he was known as Jahangir. Okay, so this boy, this little child is Jahangir. Okay, so what we need to understand is, can you identify the Jesuit priests in the picture? The people who are belonging to the religion of the Jesus. Yes. here. ओके, जीसुआइट प्रीस्ट आर हियर, दे आर विद द क्रॉस. ये देख रहे हो, ये वाइट कलर का ये जो यहाँ पे है, तो इनके पास हमेशा वो बिकॉज दे वर्शिप जीसस क्राइस्ट ना, एंड जीसस क्राइस्ट वॉज क्रूसीफाइड, सो दे ऑलवेज कैरी अ क्रॉस विद देम. एक क्रॉस होता है ना, उसमें मतलब जीसस क्राइस्ट बने होते हैं. तो ये सारे ऑल दीज पीपल हु आर सिटिंग हियर, एंड आप देख सबके किताबें, ऑल दीज टेक्स्ट आर केप्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम. सारे लोगों ने अपनी रिलीजियस बुक्स को अपने साथ रखा हुआ है. All these people have kept the religious books with them. So that was the picture. And now, after having lot of discussions in the Ibadat Khana with all these religious leaders, Akbar used to have very creative discussions. The religious guru जो उनको आइडिया देते थे, वॉट एवर आइडियाज गिवन बाय द religious leaders, Akbar accepted it readily. And he used to think. And अभी एक कहानी दिमाग में आ रही है, शेयर करूँ? Shall I share the story with you? Stories are always welcome na. Yeah, you all like stories na. Yeah, so it was coming to my mind. I am just discussing, I am just sharing it with you. अकबर वॉज डिस्कसिंग ऑन रिलीजन. ठीक है, वो धर्म के बारे में बातें कर रहे हैं. बट डू यू नो दैट वॉज सच अ थॉटफुल पर्सन. अकबर हैड डन सो मच ऑफ कॉन्क्वेस्ट. ही वॉज अ ग्रेट वॉरियर, ही वॉज अ ग्रेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर. लेकिन डू यू नो दैट अकबर वॉज इलिटरेट. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Akbar was illiterate. उनको पढ़ना नहीं आता था, उनको लिखना नहीं आता था. Why? You are asking the question why? पढ़ा नहीं शुरू में. Okay, didn't you read it in the beginning? Akbar sat on the throne. अकबर वाला जो कॉलम था उसमें क्या लिखा था? He became the king when he was 13 years old. 13 साल के बच्चे को किंग बना दिया गया. Who made him the king? Bairam Khan. So Bairam Khan did not think about Akbar's education at that time. He said the Mughal administration, the great administration that has been established by Babur, it should not fall down easily. For that, जल्दी में उन्होंने Akbar was made the ruler, Akbar was made the king, but then Akbar's education was left. तो अकबर, an illiterate person who doesn't know how to read, how to write, and he conquered such a big empire. Salute. Got it? Appreciate and accept the greatness of certain people. अगर उन्होंने ऐसा नहीं सोचा होता तो आज the kind of structure that we have in India, the kind of systems that is there in India, it wouldn't have been there. Okay, so after discussing all these things, Akbar gave the idea of Sulh-e-Kul. What is the meaning of Sulh-e-Kul? Universal peace. अभी I am explaining you the meaning of Sulh-e-Kul. इसको ब्रेक में, इसको मैं I'll explain it to you in small parts. Got it? Sulh-e-Kul. Suppose two people are fighting. दो लोगों में लड़ाई हो रही है. तो at times you will find some people interfering. लोग कहेंगे अरे लड़ाई मत करो, आपस में सुलह कर लो. ठीक है, पता नहीं. दिस इज़ एन अरबिक टर्मिनोलॉजी. ये अरबिक है, पर्शियन है. मतलब कि दिस इज़ नॉट एन इंडियन वर्ड. सुलह का मतलब होता है कि यू सॉल्व योर प्रॉब्लम. सॉल्यूशन टू द प्रॉब्लम इज सुलह. ठीक है, लड़ाई नहीं करनी है, क्या करना है? सुलह करना है. एवरीबडी शुड बी इन अ हार्मनी, हैप्पीनेस. गॉट इट? सुलह. कुल, व्हाट इज कुल? कुल इज़ बहुत सारे मीनिंग है कुल के. तो इट इज़ द एडिशन ऑफ द कंप्लीट नंबर्स, मेकिंग अ ग्रुप, कुल, सारे के सारे, पूरे के पूरे लोग, ऑल द पीपल टुगेदर इज कुल. तो सुलह ई कुल, सारे लोगों को, एवरीबडी हैज़ टू हैव प्रॉपर एंड पीसफुल लाइफ. सुलह, किसी को झगड़ा नहीं करना है. एवरीबडी शुड हैव अ वेरी हैप्पी एंड अ पीसफुल लाइफ. सुलह इक्वल, ओके, यूनिवर्सल पीस. तो क्या हुआ, दिस वॉज द आइडिया ऑफ टॉलरेंस. टॉलरेंस मीन्स आप यू एक्सेप्ट एवरीथिंग ना, टॉलरेट करना, ये नहीं ओ इट इज़ आवर लाइफ, वाई शुड वी एक्सेप्ट अदर्स प्रॉब्लम्स. नो, सबको साथ में मिलके चलना है, सबको साथ में लेके चलना है. अगर किसी को प्रॉब्लम है तो क्या उसको छोड़ देते हैं? फैमिली में इफ समबडी हैज सम प्रॉब्लम वी से हो प्लीज स्टे आउट, वी डोंट वांट यू इन माय फैमिली. इट डजंट हैपन लाइक दैट. तो ऑल द रिलीजन्स इन हिज रियल, मतलब उनके रूल में, उनके एरिया में, उनके in his under his power, all the people, all the religion that were there, it was to be equally respected. And it focused on a system of ethics. Ethics means certain principles that you follow. आप moral science पढ़ते हो children, you have read about moral science, you have attended the moral science classes, remember 1 to 5. तो उसमें आपको अच्छी चीज़ें सिखाई जाती हैं. You learn about life, you understand how to behave, how to have good feeling, how to respect others. So ethic, this kind of a thing is called as ethic. So क्या क्या था ethic में? Honesty, justice, peace. So universally applicable. Akbar said that everybody should follow the principles of सुलह कुल. सबको साथ में मिलके रहना है, सबका साथ होना चाहिए. एवरीबडी शुड बी टुगेदर. कोई किसी के साथ झगड़ा नहीं करे, सब लोग प्रेम से रहें. तो तब फिर देयर वुड बी हार्मनी, देयर वुड बी हैप्पीनेस, ऑल दीज थिंग्स वुड बी देयर टुगेदर. दिस इज सुलह कुल ही गेव. एंड अबुल फजल ने क्या किया? अबुल फजल हेल्प्ड अकबर इन फ्रेमिंग अ विजन ऑफ गवर्नेंस. अकबर राइटिंग अ बुक. सो उन्होंने कहा कि व्हेन अकबर सेट कि सारे रिलीजन को साथ में मिलके रहना चाहिए, गिव मी सम थ्योरी, गिव मी सम फार्मूलाज जहाँ पे आई कैन प्रोपगेट द रिलीजन इन अ मैनर जहाँ कोई हिंदू नहीं होगा, कोई मुस्लिम नहीं होगा, एवरीबडी विल स्टे टुगेदर. सो ही सेड कि सर, अबुल फजल सेड कि जहाँ पना यू डू वन थिंग, दैट यू फाइंड आउट new religion called सुलह कुल. Okay, so principle of governance was followed by Jahangir and Shahjahan as well. तो इनके बेटे थे जहांगीर, सलीम उनका नाम, मतलब his pet name was सलीम, his home name was सलीम. तो जहांगीर and शाहजहां, they followed the concept of सुलह कुल. अभी सुलह कुल क्या है? just see, it is given here in this box, very clearly it is mentioned children. Jahangir was Akbar's son. So he spread his ideas, he spread his ideology of सुलह कुल. क्या उन्होंने बताया? And that is what is mentioned here. He said, as in the wide expanse of the divine compassion there is room for all classes and followers of all creeds. ठीक है? It is the God's will, divine compassion. The God thinks so. ठीक है? The Almighty, the God from above has given us this room. एक कमरा दिया है हमको, एक मौका दिया है. वी आर बॉर्न इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग. तो ऑल द क्लासेस, फॉलोअर्स ऑफ ऑल द क्रीड्स, हर एक क्लास इन हिज इम्पीरियल डोमिनियंस, मतलब द इम्पीरियल डोमिनियंस मीन्स अंडर द इम्पीरियल डोमिनियंस, मतलब राजा के राज में. मैं आपको सिंपल में एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ, आई एम जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग इट इन सिंपल. imperial dominions. You accept the king, you accept the power of the king, and God has kept us on this land, the land which is surrounded by sea. You know how much land we have in on this earth. How much land do we have? It is all surrounded by water. That is what he's saying. Limited only by the sea, there was room for the professors of opposite religions and for beliefs, good, bad, and the road to intolerance was closed. Matlab, for opposite religion means whatever religion you are following, a person here, the religion that he is following, the other people, the religion that they are following. I am a Hindu following other religion, that is opposite religion. Okay, so good, bad, intolerance, everything needs to be accepted, and road to intolerance was closed. हम बर्दाश्त करना है सब कुछ को, सबको बर्दाश्त की बात नहीं. इट इज़ नॉट टॉलरेंस, इट इज़ लाइक रेस्पेक्ट टू द अदर ग्रुप, रेस्पेक्ट टू द अदर कम्युनिटी. दैट वाज द कॉल ऑफ द आवर. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड, द सुन्नीज एंड शियाज मेट इन वन मॉस्क and Christians and Jews in one church to pray. Amongst the Muslim community also there are two groups, the Sunnis and the Shias. तो उन्होंने कहा कि the groups in the name of religion they keep on fighting. Instead of fighting, people should meet at one place, talk about religion, think about the goodness, think about the bright future of the nation. The Jews and the Christians, Christians and the Jews are always enemies. There is again a story. Remember, I'm sorry children, Jesus Christ was crucified. ठीक है, गॉड है, क्रिश्चियंस के गॉड है. तो जिन लोगों ने उनको सूली पे चढ़ाया, यू नो दैट क्रॉस आपने देखा होगा कि देयर इज़ अ प्लस साइन, उसके ऊपर एक जीसस क्राइस्ट इज क्रूसिफाइड. दिस वाज बीइंग डन, दे से, द क्रिश्चियंस से दैट देयर होली गॉड वाज क्रूसिफाइड बाय द जूस. तो दैट्स वाई दे वर एनिमीज. लेकिन उन्होंने कहा कि सब लोगों को साथ में मिलके रहना है. एवरीबडी शुड स्टे टुगेदर with peace and harmony. There should not be fighting, tension in the name of religion. Okay, that was the concept of Sulh-i-Kul, universal peace, and he consistently followed the principle of universal peace. Universal peace was there and Sulh-i-Kul was there, and that needed to be followed. तो सुलह-i-Kul आपको समझ में आ गया. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. मुगल एम्पायर in the 17th century and after, it has already expanded a lot. People were living a very peaceful life, that is there. There was no tension amongst them. The great empire that was established by Babur was at its peak, at its topmost position during the time of Akbar. Okay, so the administration, the administrative and military efficiency, Mughal empire, all this that was there. There was a great economic and commercial prosperity everywhere, बहुत ही ज़्यादा. The countrymen were very happy. देश में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी. This is all written in अकबरनामा. ये हमको कहाँ से पता चलता है? We come to know from the अकबरनामा. Okay, तो administrative efficiency was there, military efficiency was there of the Mughal empire, and there was great economic and commercial prosperity. International travelers who were there, the people who were coming from outside, they described it as the fabled land of wealth. उन्होंने कहा कि मैंने इतना यहाँ पे है कि किसी के पास कोई कमी नहीं है. फेबल्ड, मतलब कि मतलब परी कथा में फेबल इज लाइक द ग्रेट स्टोरी ऑफ द ग्रेट पीपल एंड परी कथा जैसा है ना वैसा है इंडिया में, इतना पैसा है लोगों के पास, दैट वॉज देयर। तो 17th सेंचुरी में द मुगल वॉज एट इट्स टॉप मोस्ट पोजिशन। और उसके बाद उन्होंने क्या क्या किया, वॉट ऑल प्रॉब्लम्स दे हैव फेस्ड, children we will be doing it in the next class. Till then whatever we have done today, keep revising. All the best to you, and please take good care of yourself and stay safe. Thank you children, and all the best to you.